more awareness about the knowledge, innovation, and revolution in the world of science. As science improves the quality of life and underpins the prosperity. The science of today is technology of tomorrow. Now, I would like to call upon the dais now, Ms. To have views about why we are celebrating this day.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Nimra Naseem, Joint Secretary of IUB Science Society. Today we all are here to celebrate the International Day of Women and Girls in Science. The purpose of this day is to promote more women and girls in science. But why we are celebrating this day? This is simply one line answer. वजूदे जन से हैं तस्वीरें कायनात में रंग. Science is not only the boys' game, it's not only the girls' game. It is the game of mind-blowing mind. It's the point where we are and where we are going. The day focuses on the reality that science and the gender equalities are both vital for the achievement of international agreed development goals. However, long-standing biases and gender stereotypes are steering the girls and women away from science-related fields. According to the data from UNESCO, fewer than 30% of the researchers are only females, and among these, only 30% female researchers select their occupation in STEM-related fields like science. Female like Marie Curie, Elizabeth, Arfa Karim are my inspiration. I look forward to the day where we won't have to worry about gender anymore. If science is aspiration, embrace it, proud for it, and enjoy the journey. जब अपना काफिला अज़्मो यकी से निकलेगा, जहाँ से चाहेंगे रास्ता वहीं से निकलेगा. ए वतन की मिट्टी मुझे एड़ियाँ रगड़ने दे, मुझे यकीन है चश्मा यहीं से निकलेगा. पहुँच गए.
Thank you so much, Nimra. Now, I would like to call upon the dais for welcome note, our advisor, IB Science Society, and Chairman Department of Pharmacology, Professor Dr. Kaifar Jameel.
Thank you very much, Mavish. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, all of you. Dear colleagues and dear students, I really appreciate the efforts you are here, the efforts of IUB Science Society. We have arranged this walk, awareness walk, to celebrate the International Day for Women and Girls in Science. You know, the days are celebrated to address the issues which are global issues. And this is a global issue. The women and girls represent about half of the population worldwide, but the proportion in science and technology, especially the STEM subjects, science, the technology, engineering, and mathematics, the proportion is very less. So today's awareness session and walk is to recognize the efforts of the women and girls in science, and also to create awareness in the society, because there are, due to a number of factors, the women and girls, they are not playing their role. And majorly, there is a gap between the women and the girls. So we are here to fulfill this gap between the women and the girls, so that we can help each other to establish a society, to promote the culture, to promote the environment, where the women and girls can show their full potential, and they can help to, and we can create an environment which is very, in which the girls can prove themselves. So thank you very much. And I'm also thankful to the Directorate of Student Affairs for providing us this platform. Thank you very much. And I really have no words to pay my gratitude to dear faculty members who spare this precious time, and the students who are here to help each other. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Professor Dr. Kaifar Jameel. Now, I would like to call upon the dais Professor Dr. Nuzhat Sayal, Chairman, Department of Zoology, to share their views.
here we are celebrating the International Day for the Women and the girls in science which is a global celebration of the women who work and contribute to the major scientific findings that we see every year, every day in the past and in the future. The United Nations have proclaimed the February 11th the International Day of Women and Girls in Science, aiming to ensure the full and the equal access to and participation in science for the women and girls. According to a UN study from 14 countries, the probability for the female student graduating with a bachelor's degree in science is about 18%, while the male equivalent is 37%. The resolution states that women and girls continue to be excluded from participating fully in the economy, even through representing half of the world's population, and that women have a vital role to play and right to participate in sustainable developmental policies, programs, and decision making at all levels. International Day of Women and Girls in Science is an important reminder of the women and girls in STEM, science, technology, engineering, and the mathematics careers. This day is an opportunity to encourage the equality in the STEM fields, that is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. In the past, there were very few women in science, technology, engineering, and the math, but today, women hold nearly about 3 in 10 of these jobs. Here I would like to say something about the Muslim girls and the women, especially Anusha Ansari is a renowned space explorer from the Kazakhstan. Hayat Ali Sindhi is a medical scientist. Malala Yousafzai is working for the women education world level. She was awarded with the Nobel Prize in 2014. Same Arfakri was the youngest Microsoft certified professional at the age of 9. And similarly, Aisha Farooq is a Pakistan fighter pilot from Hasilpur. Lieutenant General Nigar Johar is a 3-star general in the Pakistan Army. Same Dr. Hina Chaudhary, known as the cardiac magician, is among the top of the cardiac surgeons in US. So here I would like to say that the world needs science and science needs women and girls. So women have led groundbreaking research into public health, vaccines, treatments, and innovative technology, and being on the first lines of the COVID-19 response as a scientist, healthcare workers, and most, if we were able to address the enormous challenges of the 21st century, then we have to change the technological disruption. Here I would like to say that humanity has everything to gain, and so does science. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Dr. Nuzhat Syal, Chairman, Department of Zoology. Now I would like to call upon the dais Dr. Naveen Javed from English Department.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you all are fine. First of all, I would like to say thanks to our worthy Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Atar Mehboob, for establishing departments, faculties, and these societies. Next, I am very much thankful to our Deputy Director, DSA, Dr. Azhar Hussain, for always facilitating us and for his presence in these occasions. And today, I highly appreciate the efforts of Science Society, who has organized this event. And I grabbed this opportunity to tell that women are capable of doing any work. They are doing wonders in various fields of life. So my message for today is that we should facilitate, we should motivate, and we should help each other in different walks of life. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for sharing your views. And now I would like to call upon the dais President IUB Science Society, Mehran Khan, to deliver a word of thanks.
Good morning. This is Mehran Khan, President IUB Science Society for year 2021. On the behalf of IUB Science Society, I am thankful to Dr. Nuzhat Syal, Professor Dr. Kaisar Jabin, and Dr. Naveen Javed. You all proved that science belongs to all. I am also thankful to all the advisors, co-advisors, president of societies, our volunteers, last but not the least, our sponsor. 11th February, International Day for Women and Girls in Science. Our basic purpose was to celebrate the day is to encourage the women and girls in the field of science and technology. According to UIS, present ratio of women researchers to men is 30. But still there is a significant gap between the ratio of two. We can only fill the gap by empowering the women and encouraging the women in the field of science. I would like to end my word of thanks by adding saying of Dr. Charlotte. He said, I would offer this advice to any young woman inspired by possibility of discovery and innovation. Don't let others define you, who you are. Define yourself. Don't by what other aspect of you, but reach confidently for the stars. खुद ही खुलेंगी राहें, शहर से खुद सिलसिला मिलेगा. हम अपने सारे चिराग लेकर चलेंगे, तब जाकर रास्ता मिलेगा. शुक्रिया. थैंक्स कि आप सब लोग आए और हमारे इस इवेंट का हिस्सा बने.
Thank you so much, sir. Now it's time to start the walk. We will start our walk from this point and end it on the Faculty of Science. Start the walk, please.